The energy is palpable at Narwhal's striking booth at CES 2024, where excited attendees gather to witness the company's revolutionary approach to home cleaning. Hello everybody, this is Jonathan Feist for Android Authority. We're at CES 2024. We're at one of our favorite booths, Narwhal. We're here with VJ. We're checking out the Narwhal Freo X Ultra, an amazing robot vacuum. So thank you so much for spending time with us.
Yeah, thank you, Jonathan.
Please, if you wouldn't mind, we're all interested to hear, what was your innovation? What made you think of building a robot vacuum such as the Freo X Ultra?
Our company's mission is to pioneer innovation for lives with liberty and joys. So we believe that everyday boring and repetitive jobs just reduce people's quality of lives and even so bring some conflicts to your families, right? Yeah, exactly. So we firmly believe that if we use new technologies and artificial intelligence, we can just reduce or even replace such tasks to free up our people's time, their minds, and also to allow them to have more time for the thing they truly love. As you know, so right now we just bring the world's first zero tangling floating brush, certified by TÜV and SGS. After we figuring out what is our customer's pain point, the next step is to how to build a very strong power about our R&D, to do that. So there's also the reason why we have more than half over our 1,000 employees are in R&D area.
Narwhal has unleashed an army of intelligently designed cleaning machines, led by flagship innovators like the Freo X Ultra vacuum.
So firstly, I'm proud to introduce the world's first zero tangling floating brush, certified by TÜV and SGS. So you can see the actual results right now. So you can see that the hair is just go rapidly and smoothly into the disposal dust bag into the actual space. So what is the secret behind it? You can see that there are two cases, and this one is the common brush. Nearly all of the products on the market use this kind of brush. This one is Narwhal's new things. It's a brand new solution for the brushes. You can see that it has a unique shape. It is conical shape, and for the bristle it is 50-degree tilted, and also it only have one arm to fix, so that all the dust and hair can aerodynamically just go in one direction, and we create an actual space here. You can never see it from any other products around the world.
So what else has Narwhal got for us?
So there's another exciting thing. There's also the world's first self-contained dust processing solution. It can provide you with 7 weeks without any maintenance benefits. And the most impressive and challenging thing is that we use only 1 liter physical storage space in the robot, and we use it very efficiently for about twice as much capacity as before. The auto empty base station, you will just feel like there's a jet edging around you.
Oh, very good, very good.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you. I've noticed that there are 2 types of canisters. Could you explain a little bit about the bag versus the canister, and what the difference is, and why people should be excited about this new bag platform?
Okay, no problem. So you can see that this one is traditional but extremely large, right? The dustbin here, and it is an environmentally friendly choice. And this one is a new choice. It's a disposable bag. It is a much more convenient choice. Our HEPA filter is also certified by SGS with its antibacterial and also anti-allergy effect.
Packed with advances like centralized dust collection, the certified floating anti-tangle brush, robust suction, and integrated mapping, the Freo X Ultra brings unprecedented automation to home cleaning.
In fact, the mopping is the thing that always set our products apart from our competitors. So we have very advanced mopping capacity, and also with the world's first dirt sense technology. And our products provide not only the industrial-leading 8,200 suction powers, we also provide the 12 Newton downward mopping pressure, which is double the industry average level.
And I understand the dirt sense technology, the sensor, is located in the base station. Is that correct?
Yeah, exactly. And right now, it is not only based on the specific sensors about the water, it's also based on some software investigations like the weather today to decide the dampness of the move, and also the last time when is the last time you clean a specific room, and what about the room type? Is it a kitchen? Is it a like toilet? You will have different cleaning strategy for this kind of room.
And now we have here the Freo X Ultra base station. Please tell us a little bit more about it.
Yeah, exactly, no problem. So we found a very clear chain that it is more and more important for the robot vacuum to have a very strong all-in-one station. And in fact, we lead the development of station in the world. So we have many world's first technology in this station.
Narwhal's relentless innovation places them at the forefront of smart cleaning. The Freo X Ultra reflects their dedication to powerful, simple, and reliable cleaning in a compact design. With advanced navigation featuring tri-laser, millimeter-level object avoidance, and LiDAR SLAM 4.0 integration, it effortlessly maneuvers through your home, ensuring a flawlessly clean space while expertly avoiding obstacles. So there are some on the market who are worried about their home security, their personal security, based on cameras on the robots and the like.
Oh.
I understand that Narwhal has done something to ease those concerns.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I have to say that the privacy security is our red line, which we can never cross that. So on one hand, what we do is to make sure that our products can allow the privacy policy for each country, such as GDPR, and on the other side, like we choose a better solution, the module to balance, to not only provide better like performance, but also can like provide better privacy security. Just like our obstacle avoidance plan, we choose the tri-laser 3D structuralized plan. It do not collect any image from your house like the camera do, right?
So we have here the S10 Pro. Please tell us a little bit about it.
Some of our friends just ask us, how can we like use 3 words to describe it? We will say like slim, swift, and stylish. And we found that nearly all of the wet and dry vacuum in the market is so heavy to use. So we invest a lot to make extremely swift, slim, slight products, to better serve our customers. Based on our lab testing, we found that our design can help our customers save more than 22% of physical energies during the cleaning part. So for both 2 robot vacuums, they were launched in March, and the retail price for Freo X Ultra is $1,399. The Freo X Plus retail price is $449. And we also offer a special early bird price after CES, so just keep an eye out.
With its forward-looking vision and suite of empowering cleaning solutions, Narwhal is spearheading the smart home revolution. The future of effortlessly tidying your home never looked better. And for all of you, please stay tuned. Android Authority will be at CES 2024 all week. Plenty more coverage to come. Thank you again. Have a great day.